It's 3 a.m. The world is quiet. You're finally asleep. And then it begins. Me! Again and again, echoing through the dark like a haunted siren. Double tap if your cat becomes a night DJ. So why do cats do this? Well, cats are crepuscular. That means they're most active at dawn and dusk. But when they're bored, or hungry, or just feel like chaos, you're the unlucky audience. Bonus theory, they're summoning something. We just don't know what. Yet. Or maybe 3 a.m. is just cat o'clock. Like and subscribe. If your cat has ever hosted a 3 a.m. concert in your hallway,